EA, but to be honest, after, like probably everybody else is talking about this right now, that the video is the king of content, right? And after today's session, I hope that you also know a little bit of science behind it, why video is the king of content, right? It's not just like creating content on social media. By the way, Rachel says that you need to create all sorts of content. You're going to be creating the text, you're going to be creating the audio, and you're creating the videos. You're going to rotate between these three, right? But in order to really make a difference, right, and create emotion that will allow people to, or not allow, and encourage people to take the action, to take the step, you need videos. You need videos. Even if you're not feeling well in front of the camera, you still need the videos. But the cool thing about it is that you don't really have to be in front of the camera all the time, right? So now back to Gary Vaynerchuk, who says, stop caring, start posting. Okay, he's like very straightforward guy. At the beginning, we are thinking about this, creating this content, and we're staying inside our head, and we're thinking about us, what it is for, like, how do I look like on camera? What is, like, what people think about me? Am I saying the right thing? Am I doing the right thing? Am I looking right? And whatever. It's all about you, right? Where what's Gary Vaynerchuk means by this little thumbnail over here, stop caring, is not just like stop caring about the world. Stop caring about this limiting beliefs, right? Just do it. Start posting, because you're going to get better in time. That's it. You're going to post for a month or 2 or 3 or 4 or 6 months, and you're just going to do this just like you're walking right now. Yeah. So now, in order to start, guys, you don't need anything. People think, oh, in order to create content, I'm going to have to buy this, or have another person who will be editing for me, or I have to spend for some content creation tools, whatnot, or I need to like put a lot of time and effort into editing and doing all these different things. None of this is true. In order to start posting, you actually need just this. Okay? Team, you are your team. You don't need anybody else. Experience, if you know how to press record on your phone and start talking, then you're good. That's all the experience you need, right? Nothing else. That's the experience that is required. But it's going to be easy if you know who you're talking to and why you're talking to the person, right? Just like I said at the beginning. But if I'm going to tell you, okay, you need to talk about educate, like the new trends in education with I don't know, maybe a minister of education in US, and you would prepare something, but you might feel a little bit intimidated, right? Like, I don't know what he knows. I don't know am I qualified for this? Maybe not, right? But if I'm going to talk about the trends in education with parents who are just sending their kids to the school for the first time, assuming that you're a parent, you're probably going to have something to say without a problem, right? Just like, yeah, sure, yeah, I'm going to tell you, this school is like this school is like that, this school said this school said that. But if you don't know at all who is on the other side, because when you're creating your video, you don't know who's listening, and that's where the imposter syndrome comes in, right? Because you don't know who's listening, so you don't know if your content is good or not. Okay, that's why, again, you need an avatar card. Before recording your video, you will know that you're talking to the avatar. That's it. Now, the cost, guys, obviously you need a recording device, which is the phone today, right? You need, I'm using like this simple, on the picture I showed you, this simple phone holder. But at the beginning, when I was starting, I actually even didn't have this. I was just using my bottle, like a water bottle, and I stick my phone to the water bottle if I had to. So that's sort of like already extra. And then finally, basic apps, like a little applications that will allow you to do simple things, simple edits simple things in the phone. You can do all these things that are required for social media can be done just from your phone. You don't even have to use the desktop, to be honest. But it's helping a little bit. And then finally, the hustle. It's all about the time, right? And like following the mentors, just like I said. But you want to see the patterns, right? So it's not like all over again. I need to figure out like how to do this. Every content that is out there, no matter the topic, no matter the niche, no matter the business, is still following the same 4 stages, right? I need to, I think there is a, not sure, this is script. There you go. I need to script it, right? Have like an idea, okay, what am I going to talk about? What's the purpose? What's the goal, right? Then I have to shoot it, right? Record my videos. Then I have to shine is for editing, okay? Shine is for editing, and then finally share, store and share. Okay, so this is basically the whole process that you will be walking your people through every single time for every single piece of content. And the sooner you're going to practice this, then within a few months you're just going to be a master content creator, right? No matter what the topic. And you're going to change your niche, change your dot, this will still stay the same. This is not changing, right? Because this is the process. So I wanted to share with you guys, you can take a picture of this, but I think I'm gonna maybe post it as well in a group. This is like the framework, the overlook of the whole video content creation process. Okay, I told you that you don't really need to feel very good with being just in front of the camera if that's not your style. There are a couple different ways of creating videos, right? So you choose your style that works for you. Then you can choose the platform that you're going to start with. Just start with one, because that's also going to allow you to just record one type of videos that works for this platform. And at the end of the day, you're just going to keep on measuring what works, what's not, modeling and measuring and deciding what works, and then multiplying the things that actually work. This is the process, guys. These are the 4-step process of making videos. Okay. This scripts, guys, the scripts are sort of like bullet points that puts your thoughts in order, allows you to like have a flow in whatever you're doing. So for instance, for this particular session that we're having right now, my script is why, how, and what, right? And then at the end of the day, it's going to be a tool, right? Something that will allow the action. Okay. And you have a couple different scripts. So that's all you need for different type of content. You're going to have like your favorite 2, 3, 4. That's it. You got it. Then you're shooting with your phone or with your laptop. You're going to probably choose few apps. I'm using KineMaster and a few other right now. And then at the end of the day, you need to have a cloud. You need to have a place where all these assets, those videos are becoming assets, right? And these assets will be turned into passive income in the future. Okay. So you want to have them organized nicely somewhere and safe. And also you want to have them in a place where you can very easily share them without like, looking into whatever amount of places, right? You want to have them very easily accessible. Okay. So now look, guys, I want to show you over here really quickly. We don't have a lot of time for going through the whole pitch process, which I'm, by the way, learning right now with Forbes Riley. I'm having like an eight weeks not 8 weeks, I guess 8 days masterclass with her. So I will come back with some information. But this is what I wanted to do, guys. You know, like some of you are walking through our Project Next right now, are in our mastermind class, right, for Project Next. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody over here who is from Project Next knows that this is a bonus for you for that masterclass. So you don't pay anything for it. Okay, everybody who is in that mastermind will have all this for free. Now, to everyone else, I actually have this course right now on Mastermind platform. I'm going to show you actually. Here it is. This is the course, right? You can see in Mastermind. I'm going to have to update a few things over here because of the new discoveries that I made. And this is what I'm doing right now. I will be updating this course, right? But it's already here available. And this is what you're going to find in this course. You've seen these 4 steps in the process that I showed. Well, there was a script, shoot, shine, and share. Okay. And inside this course, you're going to have a 3 task for every single step on this way, right? 3 tasks that's showing you how to script, 3 tasks that's showing you how to shoot, 3 tasks that's showing you how to share, and then 3 that's showing you how to store this, right? And how to edit it. And that's it. And this whole process, you're going to go through it a couple times and you'll be done with the content creation, right? So this is available, like I said, on a mastermind platform. I'm actually going to send the link in a chat over here right now. So if you want to join this course, you are very, very welcome to join it. But with that being said, guys, I actually wanted to tell you why it's so cool if you join it now. Okay? Like I said, I actually make it again. I'm going to revamp it at this very moment. This week, I'm doing it. Okay? So for those of you who are signing in right now, you're actually getting this bonus for free. Okay? I am doing it live. All these sessions, it's not going to be pre-recorded sessions. It's going to be a live mastermind class. We're going to go through all the 4 steps of the process with 4 live sessions, and we're going to have a Facebook group just dedicated for this course where I'll be answering Q&As and listening to all the things that are still not working for someone, because I want to make sure that I'm answering all these questions in the course in the future, right? I'm not leaving any loose ends. So I will definitely answer all of these questions there. And then finally, in this group, you're going to have each other's examples, because you will sort of like doing it together. So the whole process is for you to actually do the whole thing, not just like listen how to do it, but actually do it. And then you post these videos, you post this content, and other people who are walking through the same process, they can give you feedback. Oh, did you do this element? Did you do this element? Did you do this element? So you're sort of like, yeah, okay, I got it. And others are doing the same, so I can compare, right? Not in a sense compare, it's not a competition, but in a sense, oh, okay, he did it this way, so maybe I can also tweak over here. Or she did a little bit something else over here, so I think I like it, I'm going to follow that, right? That's just a lot of cool examples how you can get better faster. Okay, so this mastermind in the future, it's like I said, 4 sessions throughout the week. It's gonna be $400, but because I'm doing it now just to revamp my course, I want people in it, and I want to give it to you for free. Okay. Now the cool thing is that we are gonna have quite some crowd inside this course, so you will have a lot of cool examples, because everybody who is in Project Next, who bought Project Next from us, have this as a bonus for free. Okay. So this is going to be a nice week, and we will all become master content creators. And that's the end for today, guys, but not the end for you, because now you need to go get the bonuses for this session. Okay, like I said, I promised you guys that I'm going to give you the map from Rachel Miller, like inspired by her. I'm going to give you the framework to go and find these ideas for content from the influencers. This one is shown on on YouTube, but you can do exactly the same thing on Facebook. I might actually record the one for Facebook as well, so you can have both. And then the third thing is something from Peng Joon, and I actually wanted to show it to you because it's so cool. I did it just now before our session. This is one of the bonuses you're getting for free today. Okay, so these are the content tricks from Peng Joon, from his book. This is it's in his content multiplying formula. Okay, and here is basically this. I was telling you that no matter what kind of content creator you prefer to be, if you're sort of like a person who likes to speak, that's okay. The podcast is your place, but on social media you still have to be everything. On social media you still have to do the videos. You will not skip videos on social media, right? So that means even if you're a blogger on social media, you gotta have to be the video creator anyway, because nobody will come to your blog anyway if you're not gonna do the videos, right? So the question is right now, okay, what if, like, how do I start this if I'm not really a person who is